Hey my doll, so it's your girl A. I come at you guys today with a review on a unit that I purchased from So Good BB, and I will leave the purchase link down below, of course. So the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today is going to be Zury's sister wig in the style Kitty, and this is from their Beyond Your Imagination collection. I have Kitty in a sombre RT rainbow. And this is what Kitty looks like. Now, Kitty is not new. She's just new in this color. Zury is definitely starting to jump on the bandwagon as far as bringing, you know, the rainbow units out, and they've always been, you know, ahead of the game with the different colors and things like that. That's what I love about Zury. They've always been ahead of the game. So I love the fact that they are not, you know, bringing out new units. They're actually revamping their old units with the rainbow trend, which I do love, because these are styles, these are already pretty popular styles, and so they were like, you know what, there's no need for us to make a new wig. We're just gonna go ahead and, you know, take what we have and just add the color in. So go ahead, Zury. All right, so the unit that this unit is going to be a moon part. It's going to have a moon part, which is like the full circle hand tied parting area. So you'll be able to put this in a top knot, half do, you know, half up, half down style. You can do a sleek ponytail to the side part, and that's what they're saying. There's that ponytail. And there's the sleekness, which I do love because it's giving like a Leah vibes. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She is going to be a lace front, so there is lace to cut off from ear to ear. Here is that gorgeous rainbow color in Miss Kitty. Y'all, Kitty has a total of 4 combs. You're going to get 3 combs here in the front, and then you're going to get a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. You do have to cut off lace from ear to ear. She does come with baby hairs, of course. As far as this unit being big head friendly, I don't think it is big head friendly. Due to the construction of the wig, there's not much stretch to it. So if you do have a average size head like I do, please just make sure that your hair is laying flat underneath, so you do get maximum, you know, comfortability when you are wearing this unit. I'm just going to go ahead and place the comb in the back. Hold on. Hold up. Hold up. On, I went ahead and I cut her lace off, of course. I adjusted the baby hairs because y'all know me and baby hairs, it's a struggle sometimes, but I was able to get them, you know, together. Okay, so let me show you. This is what I did. I just swooped some along here, and basically that's it. I added my powder foundation, of course, just to camouflage the little bit of lace that I did leave on. I did adhere this unit down just a little bit with some Got to Be Free spray, and that was it right up in here. There is some humpy action going on right here, but of course that can be remedied with just some water and a flat iron, well, you know, flat iron or a curling wand barrel. Here is the texture of the wig. Look at that texture. It's so doggone pretty. Like I said, it's not silky. The wig, as far as the shine on the wig, it's not super duper shiny, which I do love, because y'all know sometimes when they do color these synthetic wigs, they could come off really, really shiny. But this one is not coming off shiny or anything like that. The wig does not have any bump to it. It's just a straight style. So yeah, now when you do put the ponytail down, your pink kind of gets lost in the sauce, so it becomes like this peekaboo effect, so to speak, and that's what I am getting. Oh, what else can I say about this wig? Oh, the shedding. This wig does shed. I will tell you guys that this wig does shed, of course. Tangling, you know, it will tangle up on you, so fair warning, it will tangle up on you. So let me give you a little 360 again. There's that 360. And here's all the hair to the back of the unit. The density is really, really full on this unit, as you guys can see. And I am 4'10", so this wig is hitting me right at like 24 inches. So I just want to let you guys know that. Y'all know me, I'm short. I've been telling y'all that for years. I'm really, really short. My daughter, who is 15, is taller than me, and she is loving that. And also my niece is a little taller than me. Like, everybody's taller than me, but I don't mind it. I'm fun size, okay? And y'all, I'm just loving this color. The only thing I wish they would have added in this color was purple. That's all we are missing, is a purple. But other than that, the sombre RT rainbow is really, really pretty. Like I said, we're just missing purple. That's all. But I didn't really have too much problems with this one, as far as taking it down and having to do, you know, some, you know, over the top, you know, customization to it. I really didn't have any issues with it. So that's what I did love, because when I was working with Fab, I did have to go over the moon part quite a bit with some heat, because there was a lot of filler hairs. This one does not have the filler hair, so it's laying pretty flat for me. So I'm not, you know, getting that. As far as the ends go, they are looking pretty nice right now, but of course, as time wears on, as you know, as I continue wearing the wig, I definitely will, you know, probably get some rattiness at the ends. But for the most part, I do like this wig. I do like this color. So let me know what you think about Kitty in the sombre rainbow color. I'm really, really liking it. It's so doggone pretty. Yeah. So let me know what y'all think. Like I said, it can, you know, you do get your pink mainly on one side, and so it does kind of like get this peekaboo effect once you have the hair all brushed down out of the ponytail. Of course, you can put that top knot back in if you like. I'm not going to do that. Like I said, I bought the wig because I want to wear it straight down. And I'm loving the gradient effect from the 1B on down to the blue and the green. So it's not a harsh ombre effect for it. So yeah, this is really, really pretty, dolls. So I'm going to stop rambling on. Y'all know, comment down below so we can talk in the comments. All product links will be left in the description box. Also, follow me on social media at Aya All Day on Instagram and Facebook, of course. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, share it. Definitely check out the other videos I do have on the channel, because I've been pumping out videos for y'all every single day this week. So y'all should be proud of me, because y'all know me. I'll pump out 3 or 4 and then I'm done. But I've been pumping out videos for y'all all week. So support your girl by watching each and every one of those videos I pumped out, plus the ones I already have on the channel as well. I thank you guys so much for your continued support. And as always, I will talk to you dolls later. Bye.